On May 15, 2025, the U.S. Supreme Court heard arguments in Trump versus Casa, a pivotal case concerning President Donald Trump's Executive Order 14160, which aims to restrict birthright citizenship. The executive order seeks to deny automatic U.S. citizenship to children born on American soil if their parents are undocumented immigrants or temporary visa holders. The central legal question is whether lower federal courts can issue nationwide injunctions that block federal policies. The Trump administration contends that such broad injunctions overstep judicial boundaries and that only the Supreme Court should be able to halt federal policies nationwide. While the case doesn't directly address the constitutionality of the executive order, it brings into focus the interpretation of the 14th Amendment's Citizenship Clause. Historically, the Supreme Court's 1898 decision in United States versus Wong Kim Ark affirmed that children born in the U.S. to non-citizen parents are citizens. The Supreme Court's decision, expected by July 2025, could significantly affect the balance of power between the executive and judicial branches.
2025. There ain't no number higher than 35%. It's 35% now, 53% opposed. 2015, it was 31% supporting, 35% in 2011. The number has just stayed very, very, very consistent, whereby only about a third of the public support the idea of ending birthright citizenship for children born to immigrants illegally here. It's simply put, Jessica Dean, ain't popular, and it doesn't appear to be legal either. So a double whammy for the incumbent president.
Okay, but what about Trump's base? How do they feel about it?
Yeah, this is where it gets a little bit interesting, but again, I'm not sure this is particularly promising for the president either. I mean, again, look, supporting ending birthright citizenship for children born to immigrants illegally here. You can see the majority of Republicans do in fact support this, but it's just 56%. It's just 56%. If you were to look at Donald Trump's approval rating among Republicans, it'd be north of 85%. In fact, you could find polls where it's 90, upwards of 95%. So he's basically losing, you can do the math with me quickly here, 30 to 35, upwards of 40% of Republicans who approve of him but don't approve of this action. And then not surprisingly, Democrats, very few of them actually support it. It's just 21%. And among independents, it's 19%. So what Donald Trump is doing with this move is he's dividing Republicans, uniting Democrats and independents against him. Politically, it seems like a very bad move, and obviously legally, the judge and most legal scholars agree. Again, it's just a bad move all the way around, and despite it being an executive order, I don't think it's going to get